The chocolate ship sails through the caramel sea, and Captain Ladoo is ready. Suddenly, a toffee tornado appears. Gummy saves the ship, and it starts to shine. Then a marshmallow trap pops up. Everyone falls and laughs. After that, a jelly kraken attacks, but mint bombs save the ship. Next, they pass under an ice cream bridge. Frosting falls, and the ship turns colorful. But then the Bubblegum pirates attack. Captain Ladoo gets stuck in a bubble. Finally, they find a treasure on Cake Island, and all the pirates return home happily.